Yes. Well, now, since I kind of broke it, I think, but since this little old motor died, I was fortunate enough to find a wee little old motor in the garage. And so, feel free to come and join me on my attempted repair of the wee little old drone. Here we go! There we go, all the screws out. Now we're opening up the body and we are able to remove the arm. Couple of more screws. Get off there. Okay, so I kind of missed the step where I removed the blades to remove the gearbox out of the arm and to remove the motor. But yes, now here I am changing the sprocket or whatever from the old motor. I'm gonna put it over onto the new motor and trim down the shaft because it's too long. It's too long for her. She can't handle it. Yes. Time to snip the old wee little wires. And then it was a flarking story and a half to try and get those wires clean, for I was not using the proper tools. Always use the right tool for the right job, people. But I managed to clean up the wires a wee bit. It took a while. And then yes, someone made a old twisty connection, which I found out later on I had to reverse because the motor was turning in the wrong direction. Right. Motor, everything back. My old fat fingers couldn't put the small little wee little screws back into the hole, so I used my bearded dragon's tweezers. Yes. I use tweezers because sometimes he bites my fingers. Okay, here we go. Oops. Get back here. One more little wee little old screw. Okay, and where the flark is the screw? Why do I always keep on losing screws? Well now, okay. Time to put the top back, pry gently into place. There we go. That ought to do it. Give the video a thumbs up.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Oi, here I am. Yes, now back again with the drone. The repairs are done. We're going to attempt a second maiden flight. Switched it on, there's some weird blinking lights over there. This is poking me in the butt. What? Okay, that all looks good for my safety and my wife's safety. I mean, move this thing away from us. The bricks are super hot. No! I almost think that new motor is not strong enough. Come on, it's not strong enough. Yeah. Come on.